started the game, actually, in the past few days, we're talking about our lineup, and we're on 10, and there's no time for us to relax, because what we've seen, the game of Blackwater against Ginebra, they almost beat Ginebra, and then that gave us a lot of concern. And I'm so happy with the players because they responded to what we're talking about, and they want to win because the situation right now is you don't know kung you will get into the top 4, and that's our target. But right now, medyo scramble yun Kaya every game is very important for us, and I'm happy for the players because even though one-sided game, pero they didn't relax. Because what we're trying to develop is the habit, the good habit.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Junmar, itong mga nakaraang laro, mas binigyan mo ng pagkakataon sila Rodney at sila Mo na sumikat. Pero ngayon, ikaw best player ulit. Paano ba kayo sa ensayo? Kaya mas nagkakakumpiyansa sila na hindi na lang dumepende lang sa'yo?
Una-una ako kasama ko sa Tegan na nag-enjoy sa game na to. Yun nga, maganda yung pinapractice namin. Nagko-compliment kami sa isa't isa. Maganda yung program namin yan. So, sana tuloy-tuloy yun. Kailangan namin, yun nga sabi ko, kailangan namin magkakumpiyansa lahat.